Today marks the day we are celebrating the first move that SIPMM has made in its entire existence in 47 years. And today is really to celebrate this commitment that SIPMM has to really add value to each and everyone who walks through our doors.
And this building has served as a centre for innovation and development in manufacturing and related industries in Singapore. It's entirely appropriate that SIPMM has now relocated to this landmark building, which, although nearly 50 years old, has evolved to continue to provide state-of-the-art office and learning facilities. It now gives me great pleasure to declare these new SIPMM office and classroom facilities open. Thank you. Over the last 47 years, the mission of SIPMM has been, and still is, to focus on building the professional expertise and competence of the logistics, procurement and supply chain, or LPS sector. I've been fortunate to have worked with Professor Poe and SIPMM for more than 20 years, and to have witnessed the significant contribution this organisation has made to the LPS sector in Singapore and the wider region over that time. You can see then that I believe SIPMM has a bright future with an increasingly important role to play. As an organisation, it is working hard to ensure that both the courses of the Institute and the operations of the professional body innovate and adapt to the rapidly changing local and global economic environment. I congratulate today's graduating class. You have worked hard to achieve today's awards and in the process have undoubtedly grown both personally and professionally. I believe that you have a challenging and rewarding career in front of you. Remember to seize the day and grab opportunities that come your way.
Over the last few years, several emerging technologies such as Internet of Things, data analytics, and blockchain are posing significant disruptive challenges in the supply chain sector. However, such disruptions are also providing unique opportunities for businesses. Coupled with the higher adoption rates by both consumers and businesses, these technologies cause us to rethink the future skill sets that are required in our respective industry sectors.
What we have pursued today was decided on the choices we have made with the chances that were given yesterday. We have taken this path and took a courageous step forward to find time despite our busy working schedule. And today we have achieved it. This quest for knowledge has determined what we want to do in the next phase of our career progression. SIPMM have made us more professionally competent in the industry we work in. I look forward whenever there's a class with great enthusiasm because new knowledge to be learned and shared. This is the positivity that SIPMM have given, and today I'm proud to be the graduate of SIPMM.
I recently graduated with the graduate diploma in logistics management from SIPMM. The faculty has been great. They are experienced professionals, and I think that's what makes that value extra interesting to come to class each time at SIPMM. Of course, the demands and the rigor and the level of detail and depth that SIPMM calls for is absolutely of a high standard.
I completed the DPSM courses at SIPMM Diploma in Procurement and Supply Management. So I feel that this one I I learned a lot from my lecturer. After I complete this diploma course, I promoted to head of procurement. Now I'm continuing with my advanced, so I think that these courses will help me in future in my career.
Upon completing the course, it helped me a lot in improving the process of my work, especially in the area of procurement, and use it to my advantage so that I could negotiate a much better price from my supplier.
My name is Zhou Qiao. I completed the advanced diploma in logistics and supply in SIPMM. When you join this study, don't expect yourself as an academic study. You don't join here to write notes, listen to professor telling you all the knowledges. You go there, you talk with them. In my work environment, I'm a supply chain consultant. So I have a lot of new things coming up on my table a lot of times. And I have to really know in which way I can tackle those new problems. I cannot just rely on the existing knowledge. A lot of things is new in the area.
That the knowledge is always limited. Now the industry and the supply chain is going more on digital. I think we have to keep with the pace of the industry. We learn here, and the next day I think it moves to the one step further. So we have to keep the pace of the industry where it is heading. So keep learning, knowledge, sky is the limit, just keep going.
No one should fear to study, and no one should be stopped by any means to study. Knowledge is something that doesn't come from the sky, neither is it something that you can be brought off shelf. So it's you yourself. If you have the thoughts, if you have that mental stress, positive attitude to study, you should go and aspire it. And I believe with an institution like SIPMM, definitely they will bring out the person that they want out from you, and you will definitely succeed without any doubts.